Hi, this is Jay from Quantum Flow, and today is Friday, March 1st, 2024. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at QuantumFlobyJTNC to receive daily market recaps. Today's SPY followed our game plan to the letter, opening just above the prior day close and advancing higher all day, breaking the all-time high, closing at a new all-time high. We had been very clear all week that after 3 red days, the market was building momentum to break out and make new highs. While we are not in the prediction business, we are in the probabilities business. Our models use sophisticated algorithms that dissect market makers' positioning each day after the close to determine the most likely path for the following day's price action. We then update this information pre-market to further refine what the current day will look like. If you are a regular subscriber to our posts, you will notice how specific and accurate we are day in and day out. The market today traded above yesterday's high projected range of 512, settling at the close at 512.85. Major support still rests at 503, with resistance at the all-time high. We would not even consider an end to this bull market until 503 fails for at least 3 days, with closes below this level. For Monday, our model projects SPY's range to be 507 to 516. Possibly making a new high. With a close at or near the highs of the day, there is a possibility of a new intraday all-time high on Monday that perhaps settles back down lower, bouncing off this trend channel. Today's Quantum Flow services were quiet as we ended the week in the green, exiting all open positions Thursday. As mentioned previously, the play of the day service is undergoing technical improvements while we also prepare to release a new indicator for clients to use to see and experience the power of quantum flow on any stock or market they trade. More information will be provided later this month. In our pre-market channel, Tim noted 512 as the upside target with significant momentum. Higher highs and higher lows from the open delivered the momentum Tim was looking for to reach our 512 upper target. Tim noted to the downside, 508.25 was major support and a good bounce point, expecting a small pullback at the open with higher prices the rest of the day. Again, price attempted to trade lower at the open, bouncing around for about 30 minutes before its relentless move to new highs. While price exceeded the upside target, a very simple and effective way to know when a market peaks is to simply draw a trend line and look for price to close below the trend line. This is when you would consider the end of a very strong trend. Once the strong trend did break the trend line, the market retraced a bit, settling just above Tim's upper target of 512. As I mentioned daily, as traders, if you are not incorporating the information provided in these videos, and which we then adjust the next morning in Tim's free market analysis, you are indeed doing yourselves a disservice. Coming into today, dealer positioning at market makers selling the 512 calls and buying the 506 puts. This cost the market makers a bit today, but is what kept the market from moving even higher than today's 513 plus high. Each day we stress how important it is to understand dealer or market maker positioning. Without this information, it's very difficult to understand where the market is going to trade day in and day out. For Monday to the upside, we see dealers selling the 515 calls and also selling the 511 puts. Position sizing is relatively balanced, implying consolidation between these levels, with the market likely ranging or perhaps making a new high early in the week, but potentially simply trading in this $4 or $5 range. The momentum does appear to be peaking as we approach the top of the trading channel. There is no economic news on Monday, but several announcements the rest of the week, which could move the market one way or the other. So for Monday, we expect a generally muted day with mostly range-bound price action. Looking up further into the week, if we look at Friday's close, right here, we see similar positioning by the dealers in purple, with them selling 515 and 520 calls, buying 510s, and also buying the 500 and 505 puts. So they are positioning themselves for a potential pullback in some size. So you can see how large the positions are at 500, but mainly in that same range as what is evidence for Monday's potential dealer positioning. I recommend you check in with QuantumFlow pre-market on our Discord server for an update for the open, where our model updates the probabilities for the day and provides actionable trading intelligence for your day's trading. Good luck and good trading.